In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Payoneer account using the two-step verification method. Whether you've changed your phone number or just need to update your verification settings, this guide will take you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Payoneer into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be directed to the Payoneer website. Navigating to the correct login page is crucial for accessing your account securely and efficiently. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Login button. Click on it, enter your credentials, and access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll see your dashboard in front of you. Now, head over to your profile icon, usually found in the top menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Under the Settings tab, you will find several options related to your account. For this procedure, we're interested in Security Settings. Click on that link to proceed. Now that you're in the Security Settings section, scroll down until you spot the two-step verification settings. You should see an option to edit these settings. Click on Edit, and it will allow you to start making necessary changes. This next step is essential to ensuring that you receive your security codes on the correct device, maintaining the integrity and security of your account. In this section, you'll notice a field where you can input a new mobile number. Enter the mobile number to which you wish to receive your verification codes. Double-check the number to verify it's correct, as mistakes here could lead to disruptions in accessing your account. Once you've confirmed the new number is accurate, click Save to update the information. Shortly after saving, Payoneer will send a verification code to the new mobile number you just entered. Retrieve this code from your phone and return to the Payoneer page where you are prompted to input the code. Enter the code carefully to ensure there are no typos, then submit it to complete the verification process. And there you have it. Your two-step verification is now updated with the new mobile number. Keeping your security settings up to date on Payoneer is vital for protecting your personal and financial information. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Payoneer's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.